Hi guys, I'm here right now sa NIA X Toll Gate. So nabasa ko lang dun sa group Auto ay RFID sweep na group sa FB. And one of the members nagpost na pwedeng walk-in dito sa NIA X Toll Gate. So ito yung toll gate, when you enter SLEX, diba may Shell and then may ramp to Skyway. And then you take the NIA X lane, yung going to the airport. You turn right pala, you'll see a sign that you'll take the left lane for the RFID installation. So yung first kong pasok was puno na. May certain point lang ina-allow sila yung pila, tas all the rest yung iba pinapadiretso na. So umikot pa ako. Pero meron naman dun sa dulo, yung near sa airport, meron naman siyang pila, but tawag nito, sobrang haba. So ginawa ko, umikot ako ulit, nagbabaka sakali na makapasok na may space, and luckily meron lang space. Okay guys, so successful tayo sa mission natin today. Yay! Yung installation naman ng RFID is up until January 20, if I'm not mistaken. Yun yung nabasa ko sa DOTR website. Pero as per kuya kanina, yung nagkabit ng ng IFRD ko, sabi niya Feb, so baka na-extend. So anyway, the reason lang kung bakit ngayon ko siya ginawa is that ayoko nang umabot ng December, baka marami ng tao, Christmas rush, marami ng uwian, marami nag-road trip and whatsoever. So kung January naman, year-end, so year-end closing namin, so super busy, hindi ko rin siya maasikaso. Kaya yeah, this week talaga is the perfect time. Kaya ayun, so glad na singit ko siya. And that's it. Thank you so much and goodbye. Sana kayo rin makakuha kayo. Ang next ko naman is kunin would be the Auto Sweep. No, sorry. Easy Ride. Easy Trip sa ano naman yun, sa